Everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In this one, we're in Hitfilm, the new version of the former Hitfilm Express, and I'm going to show you how to lighten dark footage for free. Hitfilm is a free video editor for the most part, but it isn't perfect, but it's free for most of its effects. And here, let me show you. I've got a shot. I'll just hit play here, and we've got this shot in the dark, kind of. Lightning's going to crash in there, and then I relit it just like this. And it's way over relit, as you can see here. It's got noise and speckles, but I'm going to show you how to do both of these things from scratch. So let's just start here. First step, bring your footage in like I've done here. Just drag and drop it into video 1. The next step is we're going to go to our effects panel, and what we're going to look for first is we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in a a brightness. So just type in bright like I've done there, and under color correction, you'll see brightness and contrast. Click on that, drag and drop it onto the timeline. Make sure it drops onto your video track. When you do that, nothing happens at first, which is fine. You'll notice there are some basic presets, but they're not very good. So what you want to do here is you want to increase the brightness, which is pretty obvious. But what a lot of people don't realize is you also have to increase the contrast dramatically. By doing that, it allows you to bring the brightness up quite a bit and without getting too funny looking. So let's see here. So if I was to go through the footage now, you're going to see here there's a light post or a lamp post here that you maybe didn't see in the original shot. When you look in here, you don't really see it. You can look real close and you'll see it. With this relighting, now you can see it, and you see quite a bit more. That said, you can take this to another level if you want. This is more for forensic type relighting situations than short films, but I'll show you anyway. You can type in curves like I did here under the effects, and then drag and drop curves. It's also under color correction. Put that on top. Now, it doesn't do anything to the right away, but you need to go ahead and begin adjusting the curve. And what you can do is you can pull the curve up. You'll see here at the top, it's bright and then it's dark here, so it's light and dark. Start pulling up like this. Watch this. As I pull up the curve, and I'm going to pull it quite a bit up now, and I'll pull this one even to the left. Let's see, how are we doing? Let's keep pulling. Pulling. Yeah, that's a bit too much maybe, but either way, as you pull the curve higher, you'll see that it has gone ahead and even made it brighter. That said, you'll see a lot more noise. If I turn it off, you turn it on. It's brighter than it was before, but again, it added in another element of noise. But to relight dark footage, if you took some shots out at night and you're out walking around and you're not sure if you can use the footage, try these two techniques. You probably can. Thanks for watching. Ton more stuff coming up.